Hi guys, welcome to Zachariah's videos. This is a gun review. We've got a mini one which doesn't look powerful. We've got a medium one which looks a bit powerful. This looks like it shoots really fast and strong. This one looks strong as well. So let's try them out. We've got this mini one. It's weak and it doesn't have that much power, but it still does the job. Let's try this one. This one's fast and strong. This one looks very strong and very powerful. Let's see this one. It's slow but strong, but it still does the job. And I've got a surprise for you guys. We have got a gel blaster X shot, which is very powerful. And we'll fill it up. And use a little bit.
Sneaking.
And it doesn't matter. Let's try it here. Watch out. So we'll use number 1. This shoots 1 at a time. It's very fast and strong. This is multiple. Like and subscribe and I'll get you one of these.